Hello everybody, welcome to another video lesson. This is English Grammar in Use, Unit 1, Present Continuous, okay? So let's study example situation. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. Okay, so this is simple present, right? Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work using the verb to be, right? But now we use the verb to be plus a verb and ing. She's driving to work, or you can say she is driving to work, okay? So this means she is driving now at the time of speaking. The action is not finished, okay? So we use the verb to be is are plus ing. So that is the present continuous, okay? So for example, I am, you can say I'm, okay? Or he, she, it is, his, she's, its, right? Or with the pronouns we, you, they, are, you can say we're, you're, there, okay? For example, I'm driving, he's working, we're doing this, okay? So I am doing something. I started doing it and I haven't finished. I'm in the middle of doing it. For example, please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. So do not say I try. I try to work. No, I'm trying to work. Where's Mark? He's having a shower. He's having a shower. So he's in the shower right now. So he's having a shower, okay? Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore, okay? It isn't raining. It isn't raining. Do not say it doesn't rain. No, it isn't raining, okay? What's all that noise? What's going on? Or what's happening, okay? So Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really good book at the moment. It's about a man who. So Steve says, I'm reading, but he is not reading the book at the time of speaking. He means that he has started reading the book, but has not finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Okay? Because sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking, like this example. Okay, some more examples. Kay wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian, but perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. Some friends of mine are building their own house. They hope to finish it next summer. So you can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year. Those are periods of around now, okay? You're working hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. Okay, we use the present continuous when we talk about a chance that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way: getting, becoming, starting, beginning, changing, improving, increasing, rising, falling, growing. Is your English getting better? The population of the world is increasing very fast. At first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. Okay? So now you have some exercises here. I'm going to help you with number 1.1. What's happening in the pictures? Choose from these verbs. So you have cross, hide, scratch, take, tie, and wave. So number 1, says she's taking a picture. Okay, taking. She's taking a picture. What about number 2? He's right. He is tying. He's tying a shoelace, right? Tying, okay? This one. What about number 3? They're crossing, right? They're crossing. They're crossing the road. What about number 4? So crossing this one. Number 4, he is, right? He is scratching his head. That's number 4. Scratching. Number 5, she's, Number 5, she's, so she's hiding behind a tree. So that's number 5. Hiding, okay? Number 6, they're waving. They're waving to somebody. Okay, that was the exercise 1.1. What about the exercise 1.2? The sentences on the right follow those on the left. Which sentence goes with which? For example, number 1, please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Okay, please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. What about number 2? We need to leave soon. We need to leave soon. So we need to leave soon. I'm getting hungry, or it's starting to rain, or it's getting late. So you need to think about this one. For example, number 3, I don't have anywhere to live right now. I'm staying with friends. Okay? So you need to complete this exercise. And also this one, for example, write questions, use the present continuous. What's all that noise? What happened? What's happening? What's the matter? Why are you crying? Right? Why are you crying? And you need to continue with these questions, make question, write question, right? And also you need to do this one too, okay? And you need to complete this exercise. So I'm going to download this PDF, and you need to review this and then complete this exercise. So this is Unit 1, Present Continuous. See you next time.